Welcome back to our channel, where we explore natural remedies and healthy habits. In today's video, we will discuss the potential benefits of drinking Himalayan salt and water on an empty stomach. While this practice has gained popularity, it's important to note that individual experiences may vary. Let's dive into the topic. Benefits of drinking Himalayan salt and water. One potential benefit of drinking Himalayan salt and water on an empty stomach is hydration. Himalayan salt contains essential minerals, including sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. When combined with water, it may help replenish electrolytes and improve hydration levels. Himalayan salt is known to have trace amounts of minerals that are beneficial for overall health. These minerals may support proper nerve function, aid in muscle contractions, and help maintain a healthy pH balance in the body. Some people believe that drinking Himalayan salt and water on an empty stomach can help improve digestion. The minerals present in the salt may stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and enhance the absorption of nutrients. Another potential benefit is the potential to promote a healthy pH balance in the body. While the body naturally regulates its pH levels, some proponents claim that Himalayan salt, with its mineral content, can support the alkalinity of the body and counteract acidity. It's important to note that hydration and mineral balance are essential for proper bodily functions, including blood circulation, nerve transmission, and muscle contractions. Drinking Himalayan salt and water may provide a natural way to support these functions. While you may experience benefits from drinking Himalayan salt and water on an empty stomach, it's important to keep a few considerations in mind. Considerations. Moderation is key. Himalayan salt, like any other salt, should be consumed in moderation. Excessive salt intake can have adverse effects on blood pressure and overall health. It's crucial to listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel after consuming Himalayan salt and water. If you experience any discomfort or adverse reactions, it's best to discontinue the practice and consult a healthcare professional. Individual needs may vary. The benefits of drinking Himalayan salt and water may vary from person to person. It's important to consider your overall health, dietary needs, and consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. As with any health practice, it's important to approach it with caution and do what works best for your body. If you're interested in trying this practice, start with a small amount of Himalayan salt dissolved in water and observe how your body responds. That's all for today's video on the potential benefits of drinking Himalayan salt and water on an empty stomach. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay healthy and take care.
Please subscribe to our channel.